the reality we face today in Kenyan politics, I will say it today here without contradiction, with utmost respect. Kenyan politics is based on arrangements and programs where political parties negotiate for what they take to their counties and areas. We have decided that as a community and as Kenyans, we are also going to set up our own political party. We are going to produce our own candidate who will negotiate with the president and all the other people who are running for political office in this country. And that candidate is none other Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Tumusimamishe na yeye atafute urais. Hebu nionyeshe hivi. God bless you all. Waziri, we will work with the president. We will support him. If he does very well from now until 2026, we will negotiate with him tumshirikishe naye. Lakini kama anashindwa, baba, tuna farasi na kimbia kama farasi ya ngoma. Karibu Solicitor General, my brother, come and say a few words. God bless you. Waziri, I saw the other day. Please go and tell the president. How can somebody say that my children, these children don't want to learn maths? Maths is what distinguishes between ability to analyze, interpret, and calculate. Isn't it? Yes. Please tell the president, allow some to do pure maths, allow some to do moderate maths like me who are really stupid in class, but intelligent on everything else. And don't punish us by allowing our children not to be able to articulate and serve our community very well.